Now, there are some API keys and stuff that you need to provision so it knows what secure access console it needs to get to. But barring all that, it will get to secure access, and then you can assign a resource to it. So if we go to our assigned resources, as you can see, DC3 RDP, that's just a name that I gave it. That is assigned to this resource connector. So anytime I try to get to this resource, it is going to, secure access is going to know, hey, to get to that resource, you need to go to this resource connector because this resource is assigned to this resource connector. And it doesn't matter what the IP address is. This is where overlapping IPs, you get that ability with the resource connector because your private resources or whatever you assign is going to be assigned to the resource connector. Doesn't really care about the IP address at that point. It's just, hey, whatever this private resource is, as long as I know where that resource connector is, I'll just proxy that communication to that resource connector. So now, if we go to our private resources, you're going to see DC3 RDP, and then you see AD RDP. They're both client-based, right? And you see it says resource connector group is one here, and this one has nothing there, so there's no resource connector created for the AD RDP. So we go into the resource connector for DC3 server. As you can see, I'm using the IP address. We use the IP address. You can see the internal DNS is grayed out because it's not going to use internal DNS. You see we're setting this up with client-based ZTNA. And then we're assigning, this is where you're going to assign it the resource connector.